morning children. Today we are going to learn about first lesson in your 7th class science syllabus, food components. This is the first lesson in your 7th class science syllabus. Already in 6th class we have learned that so many types of different methods of preparing food, what is an ingredient, how the food makes tastier by adding different ingredients, and what are the different making of recipes like upma, etc. So this is a continuation chapter of your 6th class, our food lesson, but this is food components. What are these food components and what is the importance of eating food daily? Now we will see, children. So first of all, why we have to eat food daily? Why we have to eat food daily? Because we want some energy to do different activities. We have to play, we have to work, we have to read, we have to listen, we have to write something. So for doing various activities in day-to-day life, we want food. So why? Because food gives us energy. So in order to get energy, we have to eat food daily. And see children, all living things need this food because all living things has to do certain activities. So children, definitely all living things need this food. And when we will take food when we are hungry, when we are very much hungry, then we want to eat something so that our hunger will be reduced. Now our body needs food to grow strong and healthy. This is the main important thing. Our body needs food to grow strong and healthy because we have to keep our body in a fit condition. So in order to get the body in a fit condition, we have to take the food daily, children. So when we are sleeping also, our body organs are still working. Our heart is beating, our blood vessels are continuously distributing from blood to lungs to different parts of the body. Our brain is continuous work. So that's why when we are sleeping also, our body organs continuously working. So when we are sleeping, our body organs are still working. So in order to get energy for the various organs to do their work in our body, also we need energy. So for that one, we have to take food in a healthy manner. So from morning to evening, we will eat different types of food items. So we will eat chapatis, upmas, puri, idli, vada, like this. But we don't know which type of component present in that food, children. So first of all, before going to the components topic, now I will tell what is a nutrient. What is a nutrient? A nutrient is a substance. A nutrient, it is a substance. It is a substance used for maintaining life. Maintaining life is called a nutrient. So it is a substance used for maintaining our life and growth is called as a nutrient. Mainly our body requires 5 nutrients. So what are those nutrients? First one, it is a carbohydrate. First one is a carbohydrate. And second one is proteins. Second nutrient is proteins. And third nutrient is fats. And fourth one, vitamins. Fourth one, vitamins. And fifth one, minerals. So children, we have to take all these 5 nutrients in our diet in order to get your body in a healthy position. So definitely carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, these are the main proper nutrients that are required in our food. So that's why these 5 nutrients are called as essential components components of food. Essential components of food. So, essential components are how many types? Mainly 5 types: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are the 5 essential components. And along with these 5 essential components, we have to take water in a proper manner, and we have to add roughages in our diet also. So children, there are mainly 5 essential components: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins. Now, if we represent components of food in this manner, so essential components are 5 types I told you. First one is carbohydrates, second one is proteins, third one is fats, fourth one is vitamins and fifth one is minerals. So along these 5 we can add water, because water is very important in order to digest our food. So when coming to the first one, now I will explain you about the first. We will see about carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are energy giving foods. These carbohydrates are energy giving foods. By eating carbohydrates, our body gets energy. So what are the main sources of these carbohydrates? Means glucose, starch and sugar. Glucose, starch and sugar. So our body will get these carbohydrates in the form of starch by eating rice. By eating rice. So daily along with rice we will eat different types of curries and different types of menu. So definitely our main component of food is rice. So by eating this rice our body will get carbohydrate, so that we will get energy. So next, what are the different sources of these carbohydrates from our diet? So rice, wheat, millets. So by taking these in our diet, our body will get these carbohydrates. So children, we have to go for the next one, that is proteins. The next one is proteins. These proteins are body building foods. These proteins are body building foods. That means if you take the proteins amount through our diet, then our bones and body will become very healthy. Our bones will grow in a healthy position. So that's why these proteins are called as body building foods. So these proteins we will get from different types of animal sources and plant sources also. So by taking milk, meat, eggs, chicken. So by these our body will get proteins along with cheese, etc. So children, these proteins are called as body building foods. These proteins are very important for growing children, because it will help you in helping you to build your body in a proper way. So next we will go to the third one, fats. So like carbohydrates, these fats are also called as energy giving food only. These are also called as energy giving foods. Why? Because carbohydrates and fats, these two are energy giving, but when compared to the carbohydrates, by taking fats it will give more energy when compared to the fats. So our body will get fats by taking cheese, butter, milk, ghee, like that. So if you take these amounts in your diet, then your body will be in a proper condition. So you will get more energy. Suppose if you take a piece of butter and a piece of bread piece. So butter is rich in ghee. Butter is rich in fat content and bread is rich in carbohydrate. If you take these two, then whichever by which quantity your body will get more energy means definitely by taking a cheese only, because it is containing more energy, because it is a fat content. Okay children. So next one, going to the vitamins. So these vitamins are very important for our body for fighting against the disease causing germs, for causing these are very useful for our body to fight against the disease causing germs. So our body will be protected by disease causing germs by taking vitamin food. So these are also obtained from different plant sources and animal sources also. These are very important to our body. Next, coming to the minerals. So these minerals are also important for our body, but in a minute quantity. But in our diet, these minerals also should include, but when compared to the all, these vitamins and minerals are obtained from plants and animals only, and these minerals are obtained from vegetables, and by taking different types of fruits, our body will get these minerals. So these minerals are required to our body in a minute quantity in order to maintain our body in a healthy way. So children, these are the 5 components of food. So these are called as essential components of food, because our food definitely contain carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. So I told you, along with this we have to include water and roughages. So water is a main component to our body, because our body is filled with 70% of water. Definitely, in order to digest our food in a proper way, your body gets need this water. So children, next coming to the roughages. These roughages are also known as dietary fibers. So because these are fibrous materials, that's why these roughages are called as dietary fibers. This also comes from different types of vegetables and fruits, children. So in the next class we will see about the next one. Thank you.